We are in the Junction at 20 Mile. If you're not familiar with this community, all of the homes are 60-foot home sites. There are 2 lakes in the neighborhood, and this home site that we're sitting on right now is 195. This is a inventory home that you still have a little bit of time if you get in now to make a few design selections if you would like. As we walk up to the house, we have a 3-car garage, courtyard style, and we're coming up here to a nice front porch. And let's go on inside. As you can see, straight back through the lake is beyond this sliding glass door here. So you do have a nice kind of peaceful view right when you come in to your home. Going back towards the foyer here. Right off the foyer we have a powder bath, what will be a powder bath, and a home office. Unique thing about a lot of the Dostie plans is they incorporate home offices as standalone and not having to take down from your bedroom bath count. Something a lot of our buyers enjoy as they work from home these days. Okay, we are in the gathering room, and as you can see, it's a very large space that opens up to the kitchen. There will be an island right here. You have a little breakfast nook right here with some large windows letting in a lot of natural light. Your stove will be right there. Or I'm sorry, your cooktop will be right there. Your stove will be over here. To the right of the kitchen, you've got a nice spot where a butler's pantry will be. So you have some nice cabinets there. And coming back from the garage right here, here's your entry. You're in a nice sized laundry room. So here's your connections here on the right. You have plenty of space over here if you wanted to add some cabinets, have some folding space, and a nice window for natural light. Coming back into the kitchen, we're gonna walk through the kitchen towards the breakfast nook, and we have a nice little corner of the house that has its own bedroom and bathroom. So if you have guests visiting and they kind of need their own area away from the kids, away from everything else that's going on in the house, they can be back here, and it's pretty private. Also has nice views of the lake. Look at that. Nice breeze today. You see the water going? Very pretty. Okay, going back into the kitchen and gathering room, we are going to head to the back and look at the master. So again, we're in the back of the house, back left corner. We've got some nice storage here right under the stairs. And coming into your master, large windows, a great space. I don't know if you can tell on camera how large it is, but very, very good size master bedroom. You can easily get a king size bed, 2 nightstands, and still have kind of a sitting area next to the windows over there. Enjoying, again, your views of the lake. Coming into your ensuite bathroom, you have your commode, you have a shower, and here will be your tub, shower, double vanities, get a nice sized bathroom. When you come back here, you have a huge walk-in closet. When you come into a house that's not yet drywalled, you can easily look on the floor and see the outline of where the walls will be. Sometimes it's kind of hard to tell, but that's the next step, is the drywall in this home. So good size master suite. Okay, coming back out into the gathering, you go to the left here. Go down this hall. Got some nice curves. This hallway is curved, curves on back. You've got 2 bedrooms here that look out the front of the home. Nice closet storage space here. Again, looking at the floor, you can kind of see the footprint of that. And these 2 bedrooms will share this hall bathroom. So your standard bath with your sink commode and your tub shower combo. Again, with the natural light. The final feature of this home is actually an option that we've included for this inventory. We have a bonus room. Coming up here, nice size bonus room. Looks out the back of the house, again onto the beautiful lake. Just look at that. It's so peaceful. What a nice view. Nice size bonus room. Perfect little spot to have your media area. And then you will have a bathroom up here as well. Closet, bathroom. I don't know if you can tell, there will be a pocket door right there. So that's what pocket doors look like behind the wall. I always found that interesting. Okay, if you want to see this home, feel free to come and see either Sam or Angela. Sam Schneider sits out in the ranch, and Angela Andrus is out here part-time until we open our model. So she's splitting her time in the crossing, selling out that community for us. And then our model for the junction opens up pretty soon, so she'll be out here. All right, thanks guys.